To find the cube of 19, we draw the diagram as shown. In the vertical row under 19, first 1, cube of 1, and the cube of 9 will be written 729. After that, write 1 of 19 on the opposite side of the diagram and multiply by magic number 30 under it. 30 times 1 is equal to 30. It write in down. Below that, the unit digit of 19 will be multiplied by 9. That is 171. Now multiply 30 by 171. Take 30 of 0 first. 3 into 1 is equal to 3, 3 into 7 is equal to 21, carry 2, 3 into 1 is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Add this value 5130 in 1729. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 7 plus 1 is equal to 8, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6859 is cube of 19. We can write this as 7 minus 0.141. Now we will find its square. 7 square is equal to 49 minus 2 into 7 is equal to 14 multiplied by 1 is 14, carry 1, 14 square is 196 plus 1 is equal to 197. Take decimal point from third place. Now square of 141. 1 square is 1, 14 into 1 is 14, multiplied by 2 is 28, carry 2, 14 square is 196 plus 2 198. Take decimal point from 6th place. We can write 0.019 is 0.02 and 7 minus 2 is 5. Subtract 49 minus 1.945. Take 1, 10 minus 4 is equal to 6, carry 1, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, again take 1, 10 minus 6 is equal to 4, again take 1, 10 minus 10 is equal to 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 9 minus 2 is equal to 7, so we get 47.046. Now we can find the square of 216. 6 square is 36, take 6, carry 3, 21 into 6 is equal to 126, multiply by 2 is 252, plus 3, 225, take 5, carry 25, and 21 square is 441, plus 25 is equal to 466. So we get square of 216 is 46,656. Copper crystallizes in FCC unit cell with cell age length of 3.608 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. The density of the copper is 8.92 grams centimeter raised to minus 3. Calculate the atomic mass of the copper. Now density is equal to Z into M upon Na into A raised to 3. To solve this question, we need to know the value of Z and N. In FCC cell, Z is 4 and Na is 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. Put the value in equation, we get 8.92 is equal to 4 into M upon, in first bracket 6.023 into 10 raised to 23, bracket complete, in second bracket 3.608 into 10 raised to minus 8, bracket complete raised to 3. A large calculation arises, one of which is a cube, which we have already solved. If you take 3.608 of 36 is the square of 6 and 6 cube is 216, we had found the square of 216. The value 3.61 is near to 3.608 and 361 is square of 19 and 19 cube is 6859. We had also found the square of this value. If this value is not perfect square, then what we do? 3 cube is 27, 6 cube is 216, 0 cube is 30, 8 cube is 512. Now 3 multiplied by 3, that is 90. Now 36 multiplied by 6. 6 into 6 is equal to 36. 6 into 3 is equal to 18 plus 3 is equal to 21. Multiply by 90. 0. 9 times 6 is equal to 54. Carry 5. 9 into 1 is 9 plus 5 is 14. Carry 1. 9 into 2 18 plus 1 is 19. Now add this value in here. 0, 4, 4, 9, 1. If you add this value, then this is the cube of 3.6. Now 3 multiplied by 3600 multiplied by 3600 plus 8 into 8. Now 8 into 3 is 24. Now 36 square. Square 4240. 36 square is 1296 plus 00. 8 into 6 is 48. 8 into 3 24 plus 4 is 28. Now we can write 24 by 20 plus 4. Now add 4088. 6 plus 2 is also 8. 9 to 1. Now first we can multiply by 20. 1, 2, 3, 0. 2 into 8, 16. 2 into 8, 16 plus 1 is 17. 2 plus 8, 16 plus 1 is equal to 17. 2 plus 9 is equal to 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. 12 into 2 is 24 plus 1 is 25. Now we can multiply by 4. 0, 0. 6 into 2 is here 1 0 also. 6 into 2 12. 16 7 into 2 7 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. Here also 15. 18 plus 1 is 19. 50 plus 1 is 51. Now write 0, 0, 2, 6 plus 5 is 11, 7 plus 5, 12 plus 1 is equal to 13, 9, 10, 17, 9, 10, 11, 5, 5, 10, 11, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now add this value in here. 0, 0, 2, 1, 3, 7, 1, 1, 3. Now add all value. 2, 1, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, 1, 3, 7, 7, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 3, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now we can take the value 46.97. Take this value to solve. Divided by 4. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Point from here. Now 8 power 3 is 24. And here plus 23. Then remaining behind 10 raised to minus 1. Now we can write 2.23 into 6.023 and cube of 3.608 is 46.97 into 10 raised to minus 1 is equal to m. If we cancel 10 raised to minus 1, then decimal points will be changed. Now 2.23, we can neglect this. 6.02. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 2 4. 2 into 2 4. 6 into 3 18. 6 into 2 12. Plus 1 is 13. 6 into 2 12 plus 1 is 13. 6, 4, 12, 4, 3, 1. Take point column 4 position. Here we can neglect 6. Then 13.42 4 multiplied by, we can write 47, which is near about value. Now 7 into 4 is 28. 7 into 2 14 plus 2 is 14. 46. 7 into 2 14 plus 2 is 16. 7 into 4 28 29. 7 into 3 21 23. 7 into 1 7 plus 2 is 9. Now 4 into 4 16. 4 into 2 8 9. 4 into 4 16 1. 4 into 3 12 plus 1 is 13. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now you can write 8. 6 plus 6 12. 9 plus 9 18 19. 6 3 10. 9 6 3. Now we can point 3 plus 1 4 point. This is our nearest value of 63.1. The remaining of 0.003 multiplied by 13.421. Here 3 into 4 12, carry 1, 13 into 3 39 plus 1 is 40. Take decimal point from third position. To do this, our answer is changed from 63.05. If we take these 3, then 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 3, 24. Decimal point from third place. Then our answer is changed 63.07. I solved 409. Another example of cube for silver. 4 cube is 64, 0 cube is 30, 9 cube is 729. 4 of 409 multiplied by 30 is 120. The second number of 409 is 0. So add 1 0 from 120 in unit place. It becomes 1200. Now we multiply 909 by 9. 9 into 9 is 81 and 9 into 4 is 36. This value is multiplied by 1200. Take 2 0. 12 into 1 is 12. Carry 1. 12 into 8 is 96. Plus 1 is 97. Carry 9. 12 into 6 is 72 plus 9 is equal to 81. Carry 8. 12 into 3 is 36 plus add 8 is 44. By adding this value in cube, we get 9 plus 0 is 9, 2 plus 0 is 2, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, 7 plus 0 is 7, 1, 4, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, 6. This is the cube of 409.